Hey guys, welcome back. This is Amy. If you see me in the same outfit, that's because I just filmed this video back to back and I didn't change. Those of you who do not know me, my name's Amy and I do luxury fashion videos, vlogs, favorites, lifestyle videos, as well as high street try-on hauls, and this is one of them. Faux leather skirt. So as you can see, they come slightly wrinkled because obviously they've been in their own packaging for a whole month or longer actually, and I just opened them with you. What I'll do is I'll turn it inside out and I'll steam from the inside just to get rid of some of the really big creases here. In case you guys are wondering which steamer I'm using, it's the same one that I featured in one of my favorites video. I'll link it down below. It's my favorite steamer. It's a handheld one. Okay, so I'm really liking this skirt. I think it fits really well in all the right places. Definitely true to size based on the size that I picked for my measurements. Yeah, I think it's really great. It actually still has a bit of room for eating. There is a bit of flexibility, which I like. I like the slit detail in the front and the pocket, as well as the loops, the belt loops. So really liking this skirt. As for this shirt, what can I say? I really love this shirt. This is the 18mm mulberry silk, and I find that usually when I go with this a thinner silk, I feel that it drapes nicer and it also tends to look matte. But I also like the shinier version as well. That one is just a little thicker and it just gives this a little bit more of a dressy look, whereas this can be a little bit more casual. So I am able to pair it with this casual skirt and it still looks great together. I love the pocket detail. Here's another skirt. So this one appears to be really cute actually. Not much wrinkle. I like the leather effect on it and I like the little zipper hardware detail on it. It even has pockets. I like the length on this. Okay, I'm actually really surprised and I really like this skirt and it does fit. It's just a bit more high-waisted. I was surprised that they put lining inside. There's actually a skirt or a short lining underneath, which is great, so you don't have to find another pair of shorts to wear underneath. And this is slightly more dressy and this is slightly more casual, but I think the juxtaposition works really well in this case and I'm really liking the look. Oh yeah, I remember this one. So here's the skirt that I ordered in a larger size because when I saw the sizing I thought it would be too small and then it was too big, so I ended up reordering it in the size small. Hopefully this one will fit this time. Okay, so for this skirt I really like it this time. So this is the same skirt that I ordered in the past haul, but I ordered in a size that I thought was the correct one, but it was way too big, so I had to size down. So for this skirt, size down, and this time it's the right fit. I think it fits in all the right places. If anything, I think it's maybe a tad long. So if it was a little shorter, it would look a little bit more flattering, but that's just because of my height. But otherwise, I really like the skirt and the finish and just the texture and the material is great. So here's a pair of leggings with elasticated waist. But it's kind of like a fleecy material underneath. Alright, it looks really cute. I hope it will fit. It looks a bit high-waisted. I really love these leggings. They're so comfortable, and these are the elasticated ones. They're so comfortable and they're so beautiful and very, very stretchy. Like, I'm stretching myself and it's completely fine. It doesn't feel like it's tugging anywhere or anything. It fits me really well. So these ones are the ones with a fleece lining, so they feel really warm too. I think this is a winner. This is a great one. I love it so much. I highly recommend it. I decided to try out this asymmetrical skirt that has like a cutout. Okay, this one I'm not a fan of already just because the smell. There's a bit of a smell of a bleach. I'm not a fan of the smell actually. But the skirt looks really cute. I'll just have to air it out. So I like the idea of the asymmetrical skirt in a jean. I think it's super cute. Like I really do think it's super cute. Except that, like I said, I'm not sure about the quality of it and yeah, the smell. But I do really like the style. I think it's really cute. Like the asymmetrical is very, like the asymmetrical details are very unexpected. There's even a slit over here. This is another pair of pants. They look really high-waisted. Oh, okay, I remember. These are like those really funky flared, like a tiered flared ones. The material I'm not a fan of because it's one of those synthetic material that doesn't feel very soft. Like it feels more, it's not scratchy or anything, but it feels more like it's gonna be a clingy material. I really love the idea of the tiered ruffling going on at the bottom. I think it's really cute. But the sizing is really weird on me. I don't know why. It's really overflowing. It's super oversized for some reason. The length is okay though, but yeah, it just didn't work for me. And plus, like I said, the fabric, I'm iffy on it because I think over time it will become staticky, and I'm not a fan of staticky clothing. So this is a no from me. But like I said, I like the idea. It might fit your body type a little bit better if you have wider hips, or if you have just like bigger legs than me, because my legs are like chicken legs. These are the same pants that I tried and you guys loved on me, but I said that they were so tight that I felt like I wouldn't be able to eat, so I reordered them in a different size. Alright, so like I said, these are the same pants that I ordered from last haul, but they were really tight, and so this time I sized up. And this time it's too big, so I really don't understand their sizing for these pants. I mean, I really want to like them because I really like how they look. Like the finish looks great. Look at how much more fabric and just really loose it is just by sizing up. So it doesn't make any sense because the size down was really tight. This is another pair of faux leather pants, and it's a short high-waisted pant, and I think it's really cute. It's really flattering. It comes with a belt. So this belt I'm not a fan of because it doesn't really go, like, it's really hard to cinch it in. I can really make this tighter, but it's just that this belt is just really difficult. But otherwise, I think that the look is really cute. I really like the high-waisted look on it. The color is gorgeous. It goes really well with my shoes. And the lining is actually really beautiful. It has like a fleece lining, so you won't be uncomfortable. It won't feel sticky. Last but not least, there's also this duster coat. I love the color on it. As you can see, it's really pretty, and I really love it against my skin tone. These sleeves, you can also let it down, so they can be long sleeves, but I kind of like the look of them kind of cinched in like this. The collar here has a couple of these cascading fabrics that kind of drapes really nicely. So I do like the details here. Like I said, I really like the color. Yeah, aside from that, I'm just not sure about the fabric because it can become a little staticky, but maybe it's better in the summer. But I do love the look of it. I think it's really pretty, and I love myself a good duster coat. I just think duster coats are the perfect medium for like a breezier summer day. Hope you guys enjoyed this installment of try on haul, and I'll talk to you again very soon. Bye!